Hi guys, I'm here today to show you a door. Oh, wait a minute. Evacuation chart, maybe? I don't know. But I'm in a room at Disney. Whoa! Okay, but, ow, and I'm gonna do a room review. So, this room is a handicap accessible room, but not completely accessible. I'll show you that in a minute. So, we are at All Star Movies, and we are right in front of the Wizard Mickey hat. Yay! So, I get to look at that. And now, you guys get to see the room. Oh, a wall, a light. Okay, when you first come in, of course, excuse all the junk there. We set it down there, had no place else to put it. So that's a table, but as you all know, that does fold down. Once I get it cleaned off, I'll fold it down and let you guys see it. As you can tell, the bed is lower, so that makes it easier for someone in a wheelchair or with short little legs to get into. And then on this side, we'll start on this side here. We have the TV. Had to turn the sound down. I didn't want them to copyright me. And like everybody wants to show you, the remote's in a bag. Okay, USB plugs, outlets. USB plugs, outlets. So, and then we have a, we have a safe. This is for all your valuable possessions. Obi, get in the safe. Get in the safe, Obi. Obi's like, no. And of course, Gideon's has been here. Not the cookie company, right? Yep. And then you have 3 regular drawers here. Oh, right next to it, you have your bar area. This is like a bar. You get your ice cubes here. You got your coffee maker there. And inside here, look at all they've got teas, they've got coffees, they got sugars, creamer. Is this hot cocoa? No. Oh, but this is, decaf. We'll leave it over there. And we have cups, so that's good. But now you say, where do you keep your creamer if you buy your creamer? In the refrigerator, which Obi's already checking out. Beverage coolers, cool to 41 degrees. At least that's what it says. So let's see. I have no idea. Oh, right there. I guess it's all the way cold. But I like how it lights up. It's not like you can't see inside of it or something. Good, we have an iron. There should be an ironing board somewhere, hopefully. If not, I'll be using the bed to iron. Blow dryer. But look at the cubbies. And there. Now the bathroom. Oh, there's the ironing board. Found it. It blended in with the wall. I couldn't tell. Just kidding. And of course there's bars around because it's handicap accessible. Look at these little shelves. Alright, then we have handicap accessible counter because it goes open up. There is a bathtub in this one. But it's got bars, it's got, oh my goodness, all kinds of things going on in here. This could be fun to take a shower in with that and with that. And of course, there's the H2, wait a minute, there's no cover on top. Does that mean it's not clean? I don't know. I don't really care. It's good. I really don't. We got a little cubby here to put the shampoo, more towels. I will say there are plenty of places to put your towels at in here. And then there's me. Hi. And guess what? I'm 49 now. Woo! Okay. I know. Let me see. Oh, it's got a backlight. Oh, that is cute. And look at just what I need. Except for it's a little far away. Makeup mirror. Ooh, zoomed in makeup mirror. We'll leave it on that makeup mirror. Oh, and a bar soap. And then you got an Obi's. And Obi's just sitting there going, Mommy, what are you doing? All right, so now behind the bed on this side, you have a table. You have some outlets. Oh, it looks like you have a light for that light. Okay. And then you have the outlets here. You got a table to put stuff. And underneath table, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pillows. 7 pillows. Oh, wait a minute. No, I'm sorry. 6 pillows. My bad. Just kidding. And over on this side, we have a phone. Because, you know, people still use phones sometimes. And then we got a couple light switches here. Some more. Okay, that lights that up. And it lights that up. So now, here's the chair. Let's put a wager on what's behind this wall. I'm going to say... Are you done? As you all know, this is Puerto Rican Mama here. Straight from Brooklyn. Watch out, folks. So, behind this Murphy wall, or Murphy bed, I'm going to say that there is a Mickey behind there. Because we're in the Wizard Mickey, so it's got to be a Mickey behind there. So I'm going to open it up and find out. Alright, so last wager. Anybody want to chime in on who they think is behind here? I say Mickey. Let's find out. Oh, I am totally wrong. Well, I don't even see Mickey. Oh, I see Mickey. I see Mickey up there. So Mickey is there, but Huey, Dewey, and Louie are sleeping on the couch. So this must be Huey, Dewey, and Louie's bed. It's not an Obie's bed. Your picture's not up there.
It's like 200 degrees in there.
For the living room?
Yeah. I need for the living room like an 18,000. BTU. I gotta get me some wood. I need to dehydrate my. I gotta go buy. I'm gonna stay here before I leave.
All right, right outside, it's the Hall of Fame. It's right outside of the store and next to the food court when you come in. That's the back part of the resort. That's where the pool's at. And this way is the way you would take to get to a bus for transportation. But right outside the wall, or the store, look at it. There's Obi-Wan. Obi, I see you up there. There you are. I would say the store is a pretty good size. Yeah, I think it's a pretty good size in here. Oh, they got the new mint green ears. They're cute. Not something I want. I don't wear anything that color. It'd be hard to match stuff with. These are the mugs you can buy for $19.99. The Star Wars ones are $29.99. I think those are insulated though. And these ones, of course, aren't. But for 20 bucks. And you get free refills as long as your stay is here. Which is good. It's not good if you're only staying here one night. I'm looking for any park exclusive stuff or resort exclusive. And I'm not seeing anything yet. Got to be something over here, maybe. Yeah, it's got to be somewhere around here. I don't see why they wouldn't have. Oh, look at those. They're like sweatpants, so. They got snacks and teacups and the birds. Oh, it's Magic Kingdom. All in sweatpants. Alright. No. I'm not seeing much. Maybe they might have a magnet. What do you think? Let's go look at the magnets and see if we can find something. Alright, so inside the store I didn't find any resort exclusive items like a magnet or keychain or anything like that. But they have a lot of stuff in there. A lot of the same stuff that you would find at the parks or at World of Disney. So make sure you check out the resort stores when you stay at any resort. You might find something special there. You never know.
Subscribe, like, and hit that bell. Ring.
And come back and see Yammy some more.
Yeah.